was looking like a fool when I met you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I'm so excited. I wanted to get a new bag for spring, so I picked one up. I've been putting money aside for the past couple weeks, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. But before I do, you guys, I found something out really exciting today that I want to share with you. So you know that Fashionphile is a website where you can buy pre-loved designer bags, or you can sell pre-loved, or you can sell bags as well. Actually, this Lady Dior back here, I actually purchased that bag from Fashionphile, and I love it. The quality was great, and I like it because you can go to the website, find the bag, you can select the condition, whether you want like brand new, very good, excellent, and it'll tell you if there are any scratches or anything like that. And it's just a good way to know that you're purchasing an authentic bag. So anyway, I got an email today and they said that today and tomorrow they're offering a code for $50 off 500. So you guys, if there's a bag you've been wanting and you don't want to buy it new because the bag might just be too expensive, go to the website, use that code. I'm going to be sure to put the link to Fashionphile as well as the code down below. And again, you can get $50 off 500. It's only for today, April 17th, and tomorrow, April 18th. So just keep that in mind. I'm probably going to go to the website and I'm going to look for things too, just because $50 off 500. And I went in just to see if it worked, and I put like a Chanel item in my bag, and it works on Chanel too. So like I said, I'll put the code down below as well as the link to the Fashionphile website, and I'll also link this Louis Vuitton bag. Now, this bag that I got, I didn't get it from the Fashionphile website. I got it from the Louis Vuitton store, but I thought I would do an unboxing with you today. So without further ado, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and if you want to see me unbox this little guy right here, then keep watching. Okay, so I'll try not to be too chatty and I'll get right to the bag, but I've been on the hunt for a spring bag, and a lot of you have made fun of me in past videos because I do tend to gravitate towards, well, let's just say I have a lot of black bags and I don't have a ton of light, bright bags. So I was on the hunt for a good spring bag. So the bag that I picked up is the Louis Vuitton Croisette, I think it's Croisette bag because it's a cute little crossbody. And the reason I picked up that one is because, as you guys know, I love the Pochette Métis. The Pochette Métis is my black Louis Vuitton bag. It is a crossbody. It has a top handle. You can fit so much in it. And I thought, you know what? I love that bag so much, and they don't have that style in the lighter color. And you know, I've been on the waiting list for the Pochette Métis in the monogram. You guys know, I've been on the waiting list, so hopefully I can get that one soon. So anyway, I wanted to get a light bag for spring, so that's why I was looking on the website and I saw the Louis Vuitton Croisette in the Damier Azur, which is the white and gray check. And I thought, you know what, that has everything that I want in a bag. So I have it here today. So let me go ahead and unbox it, and we will kind of do some first impressions and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is how it comes. It comes so nicely wrapped, and I gotta tell you guys, sorry, I have to give you the backstory because it's kind of funny. So Louis Vuitton, when they ship something to your house, they always require signature confirmation. And I work during the day, and I never, ever, no matter what, I never beat the UPS man home. I never do. So I literally had to track him. They have a new thing now where you can like see where the UPS man is like in your vicinity. I kid you not, I tracked him down to get my purchase, because if they try to deliver it 3 times and you're not there, you either have to go to the UPS facility to pick it up or they'll send it back, and I don't want them to send it back. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this baby. So it comes so nice, and I always keep the boxes, as I've told you, and I keep the receipts because in the event I want to sell the bag, that way I can prove that it's authentic. So you open it up, it's so pretty. Here's the box, and then you get a nice little dust bag. And just so you know, this is the first time I've unboxed it as well. The first time I've seen it in person or touched it in person. So we are experiencing this together. So here is the dust bag. Okay, you open it and oh, I love it. Look how cute that is, you guys. And let me tell you once again why I was attracted to this bag. Not only is it beautiful spring color, but also it's the rose ballerine interior, which I will show you, we'll get there. But I love this top handle. I never knew how much I loved the top handle until I wore a bag that didn't have a top handle, and I just like it because if you're getting out of your car, you can just like grab it. If you're going somewhere, you can grab it. You don't always have to worry about putting it on your shoulder, but that attracted me to it and the color, and I just thought it was a perfect size too. I thought this was like a perfect size bag that would fit all of your essentials. So let me kind of give you like the measurements here. It's 9.4 inches in length. It is 9.1 inches in height, and then it is 3.3 inches in depth right here. So you can see, let me give you like an up close of what the bag looks like. You can see that it has this little gold clasp, and then you turn it around. There's not a pocket on the back, but there is a little tassel right here, which is so beautiful. And the tassel has like the red on the inside, if you can see. So once again, this had a similar feel to the Pochette Matisse. Actually, let me show you. Hold on one second. This is my baby, you guys. I love this. And you know what would be fun? Oh my god, these bags look so similar. I'm gonna do a comparison video after I've had a chance to wear this, because you know I'm in love with this bag and we can kind of compare and see how they've worn. But because I love this so much, that's what made me want to get this. And this one was actually cheaper. It was more inexpensive than the Pochette Matisse. So I love this top handle. Love it. Again, that's what attracted me to it. It feels really nice and sturdy. That's one thing I love about the Louis Vuitton bags. They just have such good quality. This is canvas, and again, it has the little clasp. You click it like this and it opens. And look at this interior. But it's such a beautiful pink interior. And then it comes with a crossbody strap. So let me go ahead and put that on really quick so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay guys, so it's kind of hard, you know what, it's kind of hard to see, so I will put in a clip right here of me wearing it as a crossbody. Love how versatile this bag is. So like I said, you can carry it like this, you can carry it on the crook of your arm, you can carry it on your shoulder, or you can wear it as a crossbody. I just think this is going to be such a good bag for spring and summer. I can see myself wearing like some nude pumps with a dress, or I could wear some khaki pants, I could wear some nude sandals with jeans and a white t-shirt. And I just think that this bag is going to go with a lot of outfits. So let me show you again. So here is the pink interior. It's so beautiful. Now I have the Jam Neverfull in this, and I just love the rose ballerines. So pretty. And okay, in here it's the croisette, so I have like the little sticker, and I always hold on to that. I just kind of keep it in the pocket. So here is the size of the bag. It comes with one little pocket here, but I think it could fit a lot because it seems like, see, it's pretty wide. I feel like it could fit my phone, a wallet, you know, some keys. I don't know, and I'll do a what's in my bag coming up too. But I love that it also has this little click closure, because that's going to keep everything safe and secure for all of your items. You know, I did a video recently and I sold my Louis Vuitton Favorite PM because that one didn't have any type of click closure. It didn't have a zip, so I felt like things were coming out of my bag. Actually, they did. My phone fell out of my bag multiple times, and we can't have that happen. So I love that this bag is nice and secure. Now this is a natural leather cowhide trim. You can see this right here. Nice and beautiful. And I just love these bags. They're very easy to clean too because of the material. And I don't know guys, I'm just so excited. I think that this is going to be such a good bag for spring and summer. So here it is again. And let me just kind of do like an up close for you so you can see the front of it. It's beautiful. The back, the side, and then let me do one more little peek on the inside. And like I said, if you guys want me to do a comparison between this one and the Pochette Matisse, let me know and I will. And I'll also do a what's in my bag. I love doing like what's in my bags too. That's always fun. I'll do that too, and then I can also do a review on this bag. But yeah, so I'm super excited to get it. Like I said, I wanted a bag for spring. This is going to be perfect. It's going to go with a lot of outfits. It's going to be really versatile. So I am a firm believer, I've said it before, that if you guys pay your bills and you save your money, that you should treat yourself. And for me, I just happen to really be into handbags and shoes and that kind of stuff. I just love it so much. So I don't think there's anything wrong with working hard and treating yourself. I like to always just kind of put that in there because sometimes people feel guilty, but I don't think you should, because because I think everyone has their own interests, whether it be technology, furniture, the list goes on. My interest just happens to be handbags, and I also feel like these are good investment pieces, because if you get tired of it, you can definitely resell them, and there's always someone on the hunt. So speaking of which, I want to remind you guys again not to forget about Fashion File. I will link it down below. I will also link the code. Again, today and tomorrow, the 17th and 18th only, you can get $50 off $500 on the Fashion File website. It should work on anything. I'll also link this bag too if you want to buy this bag pre-loved. I don't see anything wrong with purchasing bags pre-loved. I think in the future, if I eventually get a Chanel mini, which I want, I'm probably going to have to buy that pre-loved, because there are a lot of bags that just don't exist anymore in the store. So if you want to get those vintage pieces, you have to go to Fashion File or websites like that, or the Real. So anyway, I am super excited. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. I'd love to have you join me over there. Have a fabulous day, and I will see you guys in my next video.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure about myself when I met ya.